Hi, I'm Mushfiqur Rahman. Today I'm gonna show you how to do vintage effect in Photoshop. This time I'm using a simple, beautiful and natural photo of these pretty women. This will be sweetly change the mood of this photo, so let's do it. Okay, I open this photo in Photoshop. First I will create fade effect. I'll just use some simple steps. I'll create a curve adjustment layer. So to create that fade effect, I add a point here in midtones area and look what happens when I up this curve. It's changing the photo. It's telling another story, right? The mood is different. Look at her skin, look at her hair, it's awesome. So it's time to work with color channel. Right now the RGB is selected, so let's click here and select the blue channel. I want to add a point here in midtones. Next, I'm pushing this point to add some blue in this image. Don't use it high because it will be weird and unnatural. So try to keep it on medium value. Let's back in channel and choose red. I'll create the same point like I did in blue channel. Okay, it looks good. This time I'll choose the green channel. Select this point and drag it to the right until you're satisfied with the look. Okay, now it's time for before and after. So this is before and this is after. I just turn off and on of the curve adjustment layer. Now look, you can make it very easily by using some simple techniques. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please share all your friends and also click subscribe button under the video to make sure you get notified when I release a new tutorial. Alright, see you later. Goodbye.